Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to use Xfinity Xumo Remote. So let's get started. First, get familiar with the remote layout. The Xumo Remote includes a number pad, navigation arrows and OK button, a microphone button for voice control. You can view the remote diagram on the Xfinity support page. You can then make sure the remote is paired. If buttons are not responding, press and hold the setup button until the LED turns green. Then press the Xfinity button and hold the on-screen pairing setup. Now use voice command, press and hold the microphone button and say commands like watch NBC, open Netflix. This is the fast-paced way to search and navigate. You can navigate channels and applications manually too. You just have to use arrow keys plus OK to move through menus and application. Use the number pad to jump directly to a channel if you remember the number. You can customize your settings, press the menu button to access settings. You can adjust audio, video, accessibility options, for example, captions, voice guidance. And that's all. That's how you will be able to use it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.